cancel a Calendly subscription, follow these steps to ensure you no longer get billed for the premium features. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account on the web browser. Make sure you're using the account that holds the paid subscription. Access billing settings. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Billing tab to access subscription details. Manage your subscription. In the Billing section, you will see details about your current subscription plan. Look for an option to cancel subscription or downgrade to the free plan. Confirm the cancellation. Calendly will prompt you to confirm your decision. You may also be asked to provide feedback on why you're canceling. Once confirmed, your account will either revert to the free version or fully cancel if you choose to delete the account. Check confirmation. After canceling, you should receive a confirmation email verifying that your subscription has been cancelled and that you will not be billed further.